Well, you guys, it's safe to say that this place has become quite a dump over the past few months, so it's time to start getting some stuff cleaned up. Got a lot of metal scraps laying around, wood, pipe, junk, so it is definitely time to start making things look nice. What's up?
What's up? How are you?
Good, Joe?
Good. Ready? Oh my god, I was at a stoplight today. I was waiting there. It was like red. Boom, car, it slams into the next car.
Really?
Yes.
Dang.
They weren't paying attention and they were completely at a standstill. Pushed the car into the intersection and everything. And I just saw her face. I look over and she was like the look on her face.
Which one?
The one that was in trouble, like
Yeah.
it was her fault. She was clearly looking down, not paying attention. Texted. Yeah, it's crazy. Her bumper was like falling off. So she tried to put it back on herself by like tapping it. And I'm like, literally, you should just take it off and put it in the back of your car. But yeah, she was older.
Check it out, guys. I've never shown these to anybody, actually. Yeah, I've got 3 of these Yamaha Exciter 440s. Supposedly they all run. We skipped winter here in Ohio, or else I would have made it a priority. Maybe we'll get these going and do some Larry and Tyster stuff next year.
Yeah. Hello?
You know what's funny?
What?
These look like most of those designer sunglasses out there that everybody wears these days.
It does. How much were those, dear?
I'll bet you they were $1.99 at Rural King. These are the new Havoc Racing glasses here.
Oh, God.
Shout out to my boys over at Havoc.
You can't put that in there.
Oh, why wouldn't I put that in there? Maybe I'll do the wood stove.
Wood stove.
Probably should.
You need help? I don't think I need to go to the gym tonight.
Yeah, maybe we can just lift the wood stove. I'm down to try. I got one good arm. This was a Coors pallet.
Coors.
Coors Light.
You know they came out with new flavors of White Claws?
Did it really?
Yeah, I meant to grab some today.
All right, you guys, so we got rid of the fireplace insert. Right now, I'm just installing some locking bands on the insulated pipe. But yeah, guys, if anybody wants a fireplace insert, hit me up. I'm sure it'd work fine in a fireplace, but it does not work worth a damn as a standalone unit. But that's going to do it for today's video, guys. The more and more I think about it, and the more I read some of the comments, the more I think I'm going to upgrade stoves next year. So we'll probably get a new EPA certified 6-inch wood stove. I think that's the way to go. The newer units are specifically designed to re-burn the smoke, basically. So in turn, they generate more heat. A lot of you guys are wood stove experts out there, apparently. But I really do appreciate the advice, comments, support. I just wanted to address a couple of things. No, I did not buy all of that insulated pipe. I only had to buy buy one section. The rest of that stuff we've had for years, so that's really why I just stayed with the 8-inch. And most likely when we do get the 6-inch stove, we'll just have to adapt it to the 8-inch and see how it drafts. If it draws too much, we can just put a damper on the 6-inch unit. That insulated pipe is not cheap, so unless I can find a deal on used 6-inch pipe, we're going to stick with the 8-inch. I don't care what you say, unless you're going to pay for it. But that's it, guys. Just a little cleanup today. I just wanted to let you guys know that there's going to be plenty of moto-related content coming very soon. I got to get the bikes ready for the Florida trip. I have another event that I might be going to next weekend, which involves the KLX 110. So we got to get that thing back up and going. The KX 100 is going to have to wait until we get back. I'm just not going to take the time. I'll go ahead and get the stuff ordered now. That way we can have everything when we get back from Florida and start grinding. But we've got a few things to do to the Grom, a few things to the 110, and I will be doing an explanation video on the bike that you all are asking about. So stay tuned. Make sure you have those notifications on. Oh yeah, if you're wondering what all this is about, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Later.